December 1st, Christmas is here. Are we all excited? Honestly, I couldn't really care, and I'm sure a lot of you guys don't either. But I'll tell you who will care is your loved ones if you don't get them a good gift. Yeah, you see where I'm going with this, don't you? As far as I can see, you've got two options. One, you can do the usual nonsense where you go into town, it's rainy, full of people you don't want to talk to, loads of queues. You're picking up a book trying to figure out has your mum already got it, maybe she has it on the Kindle. Looking at t-shirts, is your brother medium or large? He's not going to wear that t-shirt anyway, you may as well buy him XXL for all it's worth. Or, option number two, you can get them like a genuinely nice gift, right? One that they'll actually like, one that they're also going to use, one that they can inspire a full lifetime journey of learning a language, one that's completely risk-free for you up until the 30th of December, so 5 days after actual Christmas Day, and one that you can have in your inbox within the next 5 minutes. Not even, oh, it's out for delivery. No, done, dusted within the next 5 minutes from watching this video. One more off the list. Do you know someone who has little to no Irish, but you think is very much interested in getting going on learning or relearning the language? Well, I guarantee you, the only way they'll take that first step is if you actually buy them something or encourage them to do it. And the absolute best place to do it is learnirishonline.com with our Bun Corsa Gaeilge. So why our beginner's course and no one else's? I'll tell you why, because ours is the only one that actually teaches you what you really need to know without all the nonsense of like when you're at school of learning semi-detached house and third cousin and all these words you're never going to use. We straight away teach you the words and verbs and rules you're actually going to use and get you going into feeling comfortable with basic conversation straight away. How do we do this? We teach you the basic greetings and all the basic question words. We also look at the biggest pronunciation rules. So very early on, you're going to be confident looking at pretty much any word as Gaeilge and feeling confident in terms of how it's going to be pronounced. We give you the best resources online to learn, study and improve your Irish. We show you the best techniques and methods for learning not just Irish, but any language using our main kind of method, which is again all based around conversation and learning what you really need to know. We look at the prepositions, which are massively important as Gaeilge, is and tá, which is another very important concept. We have audio files to help you with your comprehension. We talk you through the glance card, which is essentially the Bible of learning Irish as well. The list goes on and on and on. And we show you how to do past, present and future tense straight away. None of this nonsense of just doing the present tense, even when we're talking about the past and the future all the time. So very quickly, you're going to feel comfortable actually forming sentences, actually interacting in basic conversations, and actually enjoying learning the language. So, T's and C's. The course is available on learnirishonline.com and it costs €55. Here's the good thing, normally it's a 5-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. So if you bought on the 1st of December, you'd have until the 6th to email me with your order number, and if you don't like it, I just give you the money back, no questions asked. 100% of the money, all €55. But because it's Christmas, what we're going to do is that money back guarantee rolls until 5 days after you gift it. So in other words, until the 30th of December. So if there's any issues, if they don't like it, if you actually regret getting it for them, or if in the extremely unlikely event that someone else has also got it for them, then just send me an email with your order number up until the 30th of December and you'll get your money back, no questions asked. So risk-free for you. There's also constant email support throughout the course, so if whoever you buy it for runs into any difficulties with something course or website related, or just any questions about the Irish language, they're able to get in contact with me and get a reply the next day. Also, if after watching this ad you're still not convinced or you're still not sure whether you should go for this or the 20 quid t-shirt from H&M that he's not going to wear, which is absolutely fine, then you can get in contact with me at liam.learnirishonline@gmail.com for any questions. So, Gormila Magi, August, Slán, Go Fóill.